Hey, beautiful babes, it's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Well, maybe this is your first time popping in, so you know what you got to do so that you can always know that we got the welcome mat laid out for you. Just subscribe. That's all you have to do. Don't cost you a doggone thing. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and you'll be glad you did. Y'all, let me tell you something. Some time ago, and y'all probably already know about this, when I started waxing, I waxed my armpits, I did a little bit on my legs, and then I decided that there are certain things that, waxing is good for me, and then there's other things that I should shave and laser. Well, let me tell you, all right, girl, I tried the waxing on Cooter Brown, and she did not like that, period. So guess what? It's been such a long time. I ended up with irritation, hair bumps, ingrown hairs, whatever you call it, right? So guess what? Your girl had to create something amazing to take care of that. And I have it for you today. So let's get ready to whip this up so you can be ready and good to go just in case you're experiencing ingrown hairs or razor bumps, etc., whatever the case may be, or you just messed up and did a wax that you didn't need to do, trying to take care of something that you should have kept your tail doing the same thing you were doing before. That's me. But anywho, let me show you this remedy today.
Absolutely excited to share with y'all this. Now, we dried our orange peels, if y'all recall that in a previous video. So now we're going to start making use of it with some amazing videos coming up. This is the ground orange peels here. All I did was took my magic bullet and put in my dried orange peels and got to work with it. Now, sometimes with any blender, occasionally you're going to have a few that don't actually blend up, which is understandable. So all I did was took those out and let them dry just a little bit more because that was the main issue with those. Now, the dried orange peels, here's the benefits of that. Orange peel powder contains vitamin C, which helps to form collagen and elastin, which is the secret to beautiful skin. It makes your skin look youthful and bright. It helps even and lighten the skin tone. It works as a natural cleanser, astringent, scrub, moisturizer, and toner. So I'm taking here a half a cup of the dried orange peels. There we go there. And then not only are we using dried orange peels, we have a tablespoon of white sugar, granule sugar. Using sugar in a scrub is amazing. Sugar is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into the skin. So when you apply products with sugar or sugar derivatives, they'll actually help hydrate your skin and keep moisture locked within. And then we're using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, we all know and love coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing for the skin because it helps in reducing inflammation. It'll help keep your skin moisturized and also heal wounds. The medium chain fatty acids found in coconut oil also possess antimicrobial properties that can help treat acne and protect your skin from harmful bacteria. And then we have a tablespoon of organic raw honey. The amazing properties of honey when applied to your skin. Honey helps to open up your skin pores, to cleanse them and get rid of blackheads. Its antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties allow it to help you fight acne by keeping your pores free of oily dirt, which at the same time keep them hydrated and tight to give you a clearer complexion. Absolutely. We mix up the dry ingredients here, just like so. The sugar and the dried orange peels. Add in the honey and mix in the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, you know your girl don't want to work too hard. So while I was mixing this all up, I'm like, wow, this is a struggle. This is a struggle. So I realized it was just a little bit too dry. So what I did was grabbed my fractionated coconut oil and put a blast of it in there. Yes, I just kept pumping until it was at a consistency that was great for me. So you can judge it based upon your own experience or what you're looking for. So I just put a couple more pumps in there, which it probably ended up being about maybe 3 tablespoons or so I added to it. And then I was ready to do my scrub. This is absolutely amazing scrub, y'all. What the scrub is going to do, this is great for the bikini area. This is going to help lighten any type of dark spots that you may have there due to either razor bumps or ingrown hairs or pimples that you've had, or for me with the waxing that caused a little irritation. This is going to help to brighten that area. Absolutely going to make it look amazing. Use this on your bikini area or your body to lighten that area up. And you can do this simple at home. It's easy to mix up. This is going to help, again, get rid of ingrown hairs, get rid of razor bumps, dark spots. Continued use 2 to 3 times a week until you achieve the desired results. If you have any left after you finish your scrub, just simply put it in an airtight container and leave it in a cool spot in your bathroom. And again, use this 2 to 3 times a week until you see the desired results. Super easy. There you go.
All right, beautiful babes, that is it. Hope you got something out of today's video, because I know I did. That really helped, and it smells so, so good too. It's very easy to whip up, and you're going to be glad you got that recipe. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please, y'all know what to do. Absolutely. Share your girl with your world, and I will see you on the next video. Yeah, go ahead and click that one. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much. See ya.